Yes, hello everyone. A very good evening to one and all. Welcome back to the program, which is like day two of introduction to Blender. I hope yesterday everyone was downloaded Blender software and installed in your laptops. Now Santosh will explain how to use that and how to the interface of Blender and everything. So yes, Santosh, please start this.
Okay, madam. So, guys, welcome to everyone. So, okay, I hope everyone has installed the software, right? So, okay, am I audible, guys?
Yes, Santosh, you're audible.
Okay, okay. So, from the yesterday session, some are saying voice is very low. Okay, I will. Okay, guys. Am I audible? Hello, hello.
Very clear, very clear. Please start.
Okay, how to somebody is asking that how to install Blender. Okay, I will show you once again. I think many of you uh, haven't installed. I think have you installed it? Just I am uh, yes or no. So start to vote here. Okay, many people are voting. Okay, here I started a poll. Vote there. How many of you installed and not installed? Okay, maximum people 85% have voted. Here they are giving a okay installed already. It's not installing. It's not installing. So it will install once again. Try or else I will try to show you a channel. Means a YouTube video. Just to give me a moment, guys. So guys, 22% people not haven't installed the Blender. Okay, I am going to show you a video. So okay, just not that much. It's a 3 minute video. Okay, so better to show. I will try to show how to install it in my PC. Once check it, guys. I will start sharing a screen. Okay. So guys, is my screen visible to you all? So some are asking to narrate in Telugu. Is everyone comfortable with Telugu? Then I can go with Telugu language. Okay, okay. Okay. I'm giving a new poll. Okay, vote here. Meanwhile, I will try to. Okay, okay. No. Many. So see, meanwhile you vote. I will show you how to install the Blender. Okay. Yesterday I've shown this link blender.org site, and here click Blender download. So you can get a MSI downloader. So it will start downloading. So keep it's a safe. Don't think it's a harm. So some kind of antivirus softwares in your PC might show like that, but it's a safe. It's safe. So instead of downloading from blender.org, if you download from any other kind of third party websites, you may get a virus. So before installing from that kind of sources, you can check once whether it contains a virus or not. So okay, it's downloading for me. Meanwhile, if okay, 23% are saying not to explain in Telugu. Okay, so but the majority of you are asking how to install in what we say. Okay, to tell in Telugu. Okay, so if any doubts you get, I will clarify. Meanwhile, downloading in this one. Okay, it's taking 5 minutes. I think better to leave this. Don't waste 5 minutes of time. So okay, both unsequel. Okay, Paul, I should see. Yeah, not you. I have issue with the platform. Okay, not my problem. Installation on web store. Okay, okay. Once check whether it's safe or not from your what we say antivirus software. Okay, not receiving any full. Okay, once check. Kindly check here. I kept again. Let us start with class. Okay, okay. So I will open the Blender software on my screen. Is the screen visible, guys? Is the screen visible, guys? So I'm opening 2.92 version of Blender. So 8.3 is a LTS software. Yesterday I told about that 2.80 LTS and 2.92 other versions. So okay, if you are not familiar with that, continue with the 2.92 version. So if you want much clarity about that, you can see yesterday's video, or you can go with YouTube references or any other online. So when you open the Blender software, you will be visible with this kind of work. Something like if 2.92 means what they highlights this kind of project files. For 2.92, they highlight this. For 2.91, 2.80, they for 2.80 they have highlighted a spring, they called it a spring open source what they say short film movie. So I think I will show you once. Okay, I'll show you the film. Just give me a moment. So this is so okay guys, I think this is enough. So if I continue, it's 7 minutes 7:44 7 minutes 44 seconds, so it takes a long time. So you can type spring blender open movie here. There is spring blender open movie, you can type and you can see if you are interested in that. Okay, anyway, I will keep this link in the chat box, so that you can see here. So I kept. So you can go and watch if you are interested, but not in the in the time of this session. So you can see after the session has ended or etc. So okay, some guys are asking to explain in Telugu. Okay, so okay, I think you might be familiar with English, but okay. I think the problem is you can't understand my English, or you are not familiar with my teaching. Okay, familiar with English. Okay, okay, okay. So not audible. Okay, okay. So okay, some people. Oh, your my English is problem. Okay, okay. Blender, some issues are there. Okay, okay. It's taking much delay to download in my. Okay. Meanwhile, Blender software is not installing. Sometimes getting breakage in your. Okay, it might be the issue from your side. Okay. Before delaying much, I'll start the session. But I am feeling that before starting the session, it's better to show how to install. Okay, I will show the YouTube installed video. Okay, better on my device. So okay, once watch this. I think it's so guys. Here you are able to see that a location is a C program files Blender Foundation 2.92. They are given like that. Nah? So you can change it to your custom folder. So like I will show you in my PC. Just a second. Just a second, guys. Okay. So on my PC, I'm going to this PC. So here is local disk C. They have given okay program files. So here you are able to see Blender Foundation, right? Okay. Here I am having three kinds of versions: 2.83, 2.91, 2.92. But the thing here is up till 2.83 version, if you can run two kinds of Blender versions at a time. So you are having these two icons, not Blender and Blender 2.83. Here you can have two kinds of versions. Up till past in the past versions 2.83 and 2.82, I can run simultaneously here. But in the 2.991, after the 2.90, 2.91 versions, if you install a new version of the Blender, it will automatically override the what we say shortcut and the opener. I think what we say .exe file of the Blender. So the present updated version. will be available for you to run, but the files of the 2.91 will be here only, but it opens with the 2.92 version, latest, and the what we say the polygons etc will be from what the features they are added to the 2.92 version, it will be overridden from the past files. I think you are not getting what I am telling, right? So you will be getting much clarity when I explain everything to you. Okay. Okay, continue the audio. Okay, okay. Voice. Okay. We have it even now. So okay. So one thing yesterday I wanted to tell you, but I can't tell, is that the new versions. So every version has a new features in it. Blender.org. So it's downloaded here. So I will show the installation once again on my screen. Just have a look. Okay, stitching. So here you are getting a security one. I was saying run. Okay. So okay, I am pressing next. Okay, here I have the versions now. So it's asking change, repair, remove. Okay, I don't want to continue with that. I am comfortable with this. Okay, my exiting anyway. I showed you the video now. Okay, I want to show one thing now. What this is requirements now. Release notes. Release notes. So here you can see now 2.92 is having this kind of what do we say file, means they have done a work from the Blender organization. So this is the highlight of the Blender 2.92, means what I am going to tell is in 2.91 they have done this wonderful work, and they are highlighting the 2.92 from this project file. So I think you are getting this. Okay, are you good? Have you understood this point, guys? Okay, okay. I am telling the class only. Mr. Surya Prakash, I am telling the class only. Yeah. So before going to that, you should know what is the full details of the software. Nah, that's why. Okay, 2.91. This is the highlight. 2.90. This is the highlight. It's a nice, wonderful work. I've got this project file too. I don't want to show now because so many of you are uh, saying that the data is exhausting. Okay, so okay, I'm going to the class. Okay, I think everybody are done with the installation and everything, right? I'm going to start the class. Okay, 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 okay. So okay, before you have seen the here the project file now, click anywhere except the icon. So okay, you will get by default a cube. So I am moving this guy in the rotation etc. I can move this by pressing the middlemost button of the mouse. So you know what is middlemost button? Are you getting what is middlemost button? Yeah, I am explaining it. No, okay, what is middlemost button means I will show you. Just give me a second. Screencast, I will try to show the screencast here. Yeah. So I will show you how to add preferences. So in the top side, you are getting uh, just give me a second, guys. Here sound. Okay, guys. Noise. Okay, noise is not there. So someone is asking what is my hardware configuration. So I am using i5 8th generation with a 2 TB hard disk and 8 GB RAM. So and my graphic card is 2 GB AMD 530 Ti. That's my configuration. Not that much big configuration, but it's okay. So it's easy to convey for everybody. Okay. So I too wanted to explain in Telugu here, but some people I'm some people are comfortable with English, so some North Indians are. So if everyone is okay with Telugu, I don't have any objection. Okay, okay, okay. We need here. Okay, I will tell. I am here to explain the interface, etc. So don't get hurry. I will explain. Okay, okay, okay. So okay, okay. Graph. So you need to have a graphic card of sure. But but the thing is, for some processors like Intel, they will give inbuilt graphic cards. Intel, AMD, AMD is for AMD processor they will give AMD inbuilt graphic card. For Intel they will give Intel AMD inbuilt. Okay, so I am going to the North India. Okay, 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 okay. You are able to here in the left side top. You are able to see the Blender icon, right? Okay. So here I think this is not for you. Okay. So file, if you click the file, you will get new means you in Blender you have n number of options like general. General means this is the general interface of the Blender. If you click 2D animation, so it asks so save or don't save, go for don't save. Okay, you will be getting a 2D animation sequence like so here you can see the blank page. It's resolution you can see here. So here I clicked this scene properties. So here you are able to see, are you following us? This is the important thing in this software you need to understand, else you can't get. Okay, I want to. Okay, we can talk about the PC configuration. So at the end of the class, let me convey what I'm telling. Okay, so someone is asking what is render. I will tell you about the render. Okay, don't worry. I will tell you each and everything. If I skip, you can ask me. I can tell you, but wait until I tell you. So repeat. You wanted to repeat, okay? So okay, 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 okay. Some guys wanted to repeat. So at the leftmost top corner, you are able to see here file. Are you getting a? Are you able to see this file? Yes, yes. Okay. So okay, okay. File you can able to see here. If you click on the file, you get first Control N. If you press Control N, you can get a new file asking that general 2D animation, sculpting, VFX, video editing. So Blender software is compromising of not only 3D modeling, it can make even VFX means visual effects, video editing, and what we said 2D animation like Boontoon. Okay, you might not be familiar with that. So means like Tom and Jerry animations and Dragon Balls, exact etc. Those are compromising of a 2D animation domain. Okay, so in Blender, I wanted to tell you about the Blender 3D software. So uh, I will cover all the topics, but I don't want to go to 2D animation because 2D animation means I need a tablet. So mouse is not that much comfortable to make because shaking etc. will come. So it's not possible. So if you are that much patient with patience, you can do. I will just tell about that only. So firstly, I am going to tell about the 2D animation. Means just about 2D animation because I wanted to finish this in 2 to 3 minutes only. Just only 2D animation. Okay, here I've selected the 2D animation, so I got this one. So first this is draw. So you can press shift here. Here shortcut they have given, shortcut is shift space bar comma o. So if you press that, you can get that one. So if I am pressing the left mouse button. Left mouse means left click. So I am drawing something like this. So this color is gray color. Okay, you are able to see this now. Okay, I'm going to here. This is called material. So here in 3D animation, you you will be getting something like a material principle BSF, that all we will discuss in the material session. So okay, here a stroke base color. So it is the strokes base color, not this one. This is gray color, this is black color. The difference is stroke. If a stroke means for letters outside the quoting, like what we say, I think you are understanding what I'm telling. So this is a fill button. So here you are able to see now. I am here pressing the fill button. It's filling with black color, right? So I think 2D animation is not that much important, but I am telling just for letting you know about the software importance even in a 2D animation. So I am pressing that fill button. Okay, this is erase button. So see, shift space bar comma 3. So you can use that. So if I am using this erase button, you I think erase every kid knows. So okay, fill button again, you can see here. So fill, you are able to see here, it's a filling. So only the closed shapes you can fill, not this kind of open shapes you can fill. Okay, it's not working at the open. So this is the tint new stroke. Okay, let me show you. So here you can see now it's turning to green color. The color here, see at at the mouse pointer, you are able to see the color of, it's a green color. So if I am clicking the leftmost button, it's true turning into green color, right? So that's the tint means so using in a simple way, I wanted to tell you what is what means it's kind of another pencil but not a pencil. So new stroke, it's a new stroke on the pre-drawn image. So this is a cut option, so like a laser cut, see here, just a moment. What? Okay. So the irregularity, etc., it's cutting. Not everything it's cutting. So you are able to see now. I think you can try this. I don't want it to waste much time. I think it's 6:30 up till now. I wanted to cover much more sessions. I think 2D animation is not useful for us, but you can try this. And if you have any doubt, you can ask me tomorrow on this 2D animation. But I wanted to skip this for 2D animation, 3D animation, everything. These two are common. So see at my mouse pointer, composting and rendering. These two are important, and you can observe a plus here. Add a workspace. You can add any kind of workspace. So generally, Blender consists of five main kinds of workspaces: general, 2D animation, sculpting, VFX, video editing. Okay. So general, you have animation, compositing, layout, modeling, rendering, scripting, sculpting, shading, texture, UV editing. So in this workshop series, we are going to cover this all. So not, if not in that detail, so I will try to cover a little bit. If time permits, we can go much deeper. So 2D animation, okay, you are seeing the 2D animation only. So sculpting, okay, only sculpting and shading you will be observing. Okay, this also we will cover. And VFX means composting, masking, motion tracking, rendering. Okay, if you I think everyone has this software na? So you can go once check and search in the Google what are these, and I will tell you in detail when we go with that. Okay, so I am going to general. So I am not saving this file. So okay, by default you get a cube in this Blender software. So if you scroll the middle mouse button, you will be zooming in, zooming out, zooming in, zooming out. Okay. So again, if you want to pan means shift and middle mouse button. This is pan, what we call shift and middle mouse button. So I am typing here. So see, uh, command. So all the command meaning and purpose. So definitely I will tell. Don't worry. So shift plus uh, middle mouse button. I am calling it MMB, middle mouse button. So shift middle mouse button for pan, and middle, holding the middle mouse button. So you can what we say rotate like anything. Middle mouse button. Okay, are you getting, guys? Are you clear up till here? So from 2D animation, no, I'm please zoom the screen. Zoom the screen. How do I don't know. Just give me a moment. Okay, okay, okay. For me here, there is nothing to zoom the screen. Yeah. Okay, I can't. Please upload. Okay, madam will upload in YouTube. Okay, don't you no need to tell this many times. Okay, create. So can I create full animation? Okay, you can create a full animation using Blender only. Yeah, you can do it. F11, F11, sir, for screen zoom. 11 is F11 for. Okay, you are asking the screen zoom. I am telling in software screen zoom, not here. Okay, but okay, I'm going to upload it. How many times? Okay, I will upload. Okay, I will continue the session. So if you press numpad, I think you are familiar with numpad, right? Numpad, if I press 0, I will get the view of the perspective view of the camera. So this is the camera. So if again I will press numpad 0, I will come out of the camera view. This is the camera, right? Okay, this is called the camera. Here by default, you will get three items in the Blender interface when you open a new file. One is cube and one is lightning. This light, this light and camera. Okay, and if I press 0, I will get in the camera view. Other than that, if I think some latest not only latest, some keypads, what we say, keypads, keyboards, etc., they will reduce the numpad. So for those kind of guys, so you can here you can see this camera option if you press this camera option, you will be redirect to the camera view. So by default, you can have this in the Blender software. So else if you don't have this, you can means if you don't have the numpad, you can use this option. So okay, so next, here at the left topmost, you are able to observe object mode, view, select, add object. Okay, here let's talk about the object mode. So this is the object mode. If I press this cube and again go here, press the object mode, I am able to see six kind of interfaces, right? So first is the object mode, second is the edit mode. Edit mode means but it deals with the uh, what we say, the properties of the single object. So object mode and edit mode are same, but the difference between the two is both deal with the objects only. But the difference between the two is edit mode deals with a single object properties, but whereas the object mode deals with the objects in the world. World means this interface. Means this whole scene is called as world in Blender. So object mode deals with the whole world, whereas Blender edit mode deals with a single object properties only. So here, if I try to access this camera, I am unable to access this camera. Right? You are able to see now. Whereas if I press tab is the shortcut to shift to edit mode and the previous mode. So if I press tab, see, if I press the tab, I'm redirected to the previous mode and edit mode. It switches from previous mode to edit mode. Okay, so so if you press Shift A. Okay, I'm typing. If you are not familiar with my voice, Shift A, Shift A. So is my voice breaking, guys? It's clear. Okay, there might be issue from. Okay, okay. Why these many people are okay? Okay, to work issue. Okay, it's nice from my side. Yeah. Okay, okay. Now clear now. Okay, I am going. back to the interface. Okay, up till here clear na for everyone? Okay, how many are having doubts about the keys, etc.? Is anyone facing a issue? Uh, okay, okay. Once again, okay, Mr. Okay, what do you want? Shortcuts. Okay, I am going to keep a file. Okay, okay, I will keep a file. Okay, 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 I will keep a file. Yeah, just give me a moment. Software catalogs. So this is from Blender Guru. So one of the famous what we say. Okay, okay. So are you able to see the screen now? Okay, I will share this in what is it? MMB means middlemost button. Yeah, I kept the short form. So the shortcut I will post in the WhatsApp group, or Haripriya madam will post in the WhatsApp groups. Okay. So don't worry about that. Just listen for this session. For by next session, you will be able to get the cheat sheet cheat sheet of the shortcuts. Okay, and one thing you remember is in this session every doubt will be clarified. So how to join in WhatsApp means they kept in the previous session, so you can go through the previous session. Okay, WhatsApp group. Okay. Okay. So okay, I'm going to the interface again. So once I'll show the shortcut PDF. So here you are able to see now. This is the basic navigation. So basic navigation, orbit, middle click. So middlemost button. What I said is MMB now. That's the middlemost button. Pan means shift plus middlemost button. So zoom means you can scroll the middlemost button. Top view. I think this is not needed for you up till now. So no, I think this here add object means shift plus A. This is the thing you need at present. Shift A and Shift D duplicate for duplicating the objects. Okay, so I will don't worry guys. I will keep this in the group. Okay, don't panic for this. So you try to listen the concepts, and afterwards we can get much more clarity. Okay. Should not. Okay. Okay. Numpad means on the keyboard you will be okay. I will show you in the Google Chrome. You might be familiar with that. Numpad. So in the keyboard you are able to see now this one. So here, okay, you are observing that this is the numpad, and this zero. If you type, you can go to the camera view or camera perspective in the Blender software. So many kind of so what we say, many new versions or Logitech keyboards for some kind of series, they have stopped giving numpad as it occupies much space, and the same functions are able to you can able to use in the keyboard. So okay, not much deeper in that, but if you have a numpad, it makes many more functions in a n number of softwares. So if you want to go in the multimedia domain or any kind of domain, if you have a numpad, it will be what we say, so much advantage, instead of thinking that it's what we say, it's much bulky, etc. So okay, it's not a big problem if you don't have a numpad. So okay, don't panic for that. I told you can. I will tell the keys if you don't have a numpad. Don't worry for that. Okay. So okay, again going to the interface. So before going to the interface, I wanted to show you just a presentation. So okay, this. So just have a look at it, guys. Just so it don't has a video. So read this step, guys. Okay, just give me a moment. So I will be back just in a minute. Just give. So you are seeing that, na? So I made this in the 2D animation software, Easy Pro, which is named Easy Pro. It's a paid software. If you want to make this kind of handprint animations, you can do. So okay, just see this process of 3D animation for making some. I think many of you joined this session just to make a video and output good kind of output quality videos. Okay, so see there. Okay, you're able to see this now, right? So concepts and storyboards, 3D modeling, texturing, rigging, animation, lighting, camera setting, rendering, compositing, music, and final out. So these all steps compromises when you work in production, cinema production industry like Pixar, so somewhat etc. What we say domains. So you will be compromising of this all departments. So they call this every step as a department. Rendering is a separate department, animation is a separate department, texturing is a department, and 3D modeling is a department. So lightning is a department, etc. Okay, so I made a big video in this. So I will try to show you. I think I don't know where I kept that. Okay, okay. Okay, I will show you tomorrow, guys, about that. Okay, up till now, okay, once how to okay, you can type in it in Google. Okay, if I install that many times, it might overwrite. Okay, 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 okay. So okay, so if I press what we say, if I press Z, Z is the shortcut, guy. So okay, Z. I am able to rotate here like this. So I am in the solid mode. It's a 6, it's 8, 4, 2. So I am having here four kinds of modes. And if I press escape, I'm getting out of this. Okay, here here topmost at my mouse pointer, you are able to see here four kinds of what we say the same modes. This is the rendering, viewport shading. It's a rendering. Here, see, you're able to see. So just not by clicking, just keep for a second the mouse pointer at that option. You will be able to get what we say the details of that. So this is the X-ray mode. So if you press this is the X-ray mode. Just kindly remember it. It will be useful if you go with the much. So you are able to see the camera from this object. If I press again press the X-ray mode, so you are not able to see the camera, right? If I press the X-ray mode again, you will be able to see the camera, right? Okay, and again here the basic what we say the basic keys and the operations of the blender are here at the left. You are able to see a bar, right? So the first is the select box. So generally I am using now the select box. See this, if I am able to press like this, I can select n number. If I have 10 objects, 20 objects, I can select using this select box, right? So okay, This is the cursor. Cursor means this one is the cursor. So this cursor decides where the object should be originated. So if I press the cursor and I press here, so the cursor is shifted from here to here, right? You are able to see now. If I press an object here, just kindly observe my screen. Okay, set to origin. So origin is this green, what we say, this orange color dot you are able to see now. This is the origin. Okay, if I press okay, add, sorry guys, add, we have to go to add. And if I press cube, it will be originated at the cursor, not at the center of the world. The center of the world is decided by the cursor. Wherever you keep the cursor, if I again press shift A, and I'm getting this plane. Okay, I'm selecting this plane. So plane. If I press here and press shift circle, so circle is a 2D wireframe. They kept and they keep a 2D wireframe. If I go to edit mode, so you can go to edit mode by pressing tab. If I go to edit mode, so I can't access any other. So you are able to see I can't access any other of 3D object except the one which I've selected in the object mode and press the tab. So I am redirected to edit mode. So I can only work on the edit mode, on the circle in the edit mode. It's not with any other object. So I've told the main difference between the object and the edit mode. Once again, I am repeating what it is. It is you can work on a single object in the edit mode, and in the object mode you can work with the whole world using the tools in the software. So okay, if I press yes, it will be uh, enlarging. So if I here just to see at my mouse pointer, you will be able to see vertex and edges and faces. So I think in the basic classes you will be familiar with vertex, edges, and what we say faces. So basic mathematics. So what vertices means this point, what we say, the point red color, what we say, orange color highlighted is there. Now this is the vertices, we call it as. If I press the edge select, so this is the edges. This is the edges, the single edge. Now I am selecting a single edge. It's highlighted with white color. So if I press multiple, it will be highlighted with orange color. So if I go to face, so here this circle don't have a face, so I will press F. Okay, once I have to select this all. Okay, 1 minute. Okay, if I press F, so it's filled. So if I press a tab, I will be redirected to object mode. So here uh, I can see the disk circle turned into disk. Okay, so okay, you will. I think you might have observed that this cursor is moving wherever I click the LMB button, means left mouse button. So this cursor shifts. If I press Shift C, so it will be again set to the origin of the world. So this is the 000 coordinates. So here at the right side, you look at my cursor, mouse cursor. So here you might be observing the properties. Okay, this circle is located at 4.19 meters from the origin, and y is 5. So you can, if you change this to 5, so here you can, you are okay, I will change this to 0. If I press 0, it will be redirected to y0, and z0 means it will be shifted to ground. Okay, so you can observe here ground now. And if you press 0 at the x again, you will be redirected to origin. Origin means 000. So if you wanted to rotate, so if I press x, I wanted the plane to be rotated on x axis 90 degrees. I press the 90 degrees, so it is rotated 90 degrees. So I think you might not have noticed this red is x-axis, yellow what we say, this green color is y-axis, and Okay, you might not be able to see the z-axis, but the z-axis is perpendicular to both the axes. So here you are able to see now. So here at my mouse cursor, you are able to see this is axis. What we say? Uh, if you can change along with this too. So I am not using the middle mouse button. I am clicking with the left mouse button and dragging at that area only. So I can able to rotate, pan. So if you want to pan, you can press shift and like this. So okay, if I press at the X, so I will be redirected to uh, x-axis towards myself, and the z and x-axis perpendicular to me. If I press z-axis towards myself, and x and y perpendicular to me. If I press y-axis towards me, and x and z perpendicular to my face, means they are facing towards me. Okay, if I press again left mouse button, so you are able to see, right? You can pan like this. If anybody is having a issue with the middle mouse button, you can use this option too. Okay, if I scroll the middle mouse button, I will be zooming in and zooming out. Okay. Okay, is it clear up till now, guys? To open edit mode, okay, if you press a tab, okay, tab, if you press tab, you will be redirected to what we say, the edit mode. Didn't say about scale option. Okay, scale option I said now. If you press S, zoom in and zoom out. If you wanted to zoom in and zoom out the what we say, world. World means the scene. You have to scroll up and down. So if you scroll up, you will be zooming in, and if you scroll down, you will be zooming out. So okay. So then give these full courses complete within given period. Okay, if you want much more content, it may take a long period, but we don't want to extend that much. Okay, meaning of Blender and rendering and its purpose. Okay, meaning of Blender I don't know, but rendering means what we say. Rendering is getting the output, uh, so in the form of an image, output AV file, etc. Extensions TIFF, JPG. Okay, I will tell much more clarity when we go uh, in detail about the rendering session after making a 3D model, shading texture, after everything that we will go to rendering mode. So okay, there I will tell about that. Creating a cube, how to the deselect the add cube. Okay, if you want to deselect the cube, once see at my screen. So I have selected this circle now. If I press anywhere on the empty space, okay, deselecting the cursor. Okay, again press shift C. Okay, if I press the select box and I press anywhere on the 3D world or the scene, you will be deselecting this 3D object. If I select on this cube, I will be selecting this cube. If I press anywhere on the empty space, you will be deselecting the 3D object. If you want to select all the objects up till you, uh, if you drag like this, and you will be selecting all 3D objects. If you want to do it like that, you will. Hello, hello. Okay. So can't wait to do a project. Yeah, I too can't wait to show you a object. So okay, feedback form. Okay. So how Blender software is created? So there is a detailed history about the Blender software. I don't want to talk about it, but if for time permits, I will tell about it. Now it's 7:05. I think some guys are hurry to leave the session. Okay. Zoom in out is available in screen. Okay, which screen you wanted, in Blender software or on my screen? Okay, can we get more shortcut? Yeah, you can get more shortcut. I'll send the what we say, Blender Guru. It's a YouTube channel, Blender Guru. We have. in YouTube, it's famous for Blender software. Okay, I will show much more things I have done. Okay, if you don't want, you can go to the Blender Guru after this workshop. Until then, follow my way of teaching so that you can understand much better. Okay, how to see create circle. Okay, I've shown you now. Shift A. I will send you the shortcuts. You study today. Okay, tomorrow we will clarify all the doubts. So I wanted to make an animated movie. This is ideal way I can learn. I am glad. Okay. Okay, thank you. Where you learn this Blender? It's my own interest. Yeah. Okay. 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 Move. How to move that object? Okay. I will show you that. First, select this object. If I press G for grabbing the object. If I press G, I can move like this object. If you don't want to move like this, press Escape. So it will go for its original position. If you want to scale in means if you want to move it in a particular axis direction, so for example, I wanted to move this plane x-axis. So I will press G and X. So you are able to see now it only moves in the x-axis direction. If you wanted to move in y direction, so press G and Y. You will be able to move it in y direction. So this is the shortcut. So I have wanted to told you about this is, so once if I keep this PDF file in the WhatsApp groups, so that you can learn today, and I will tell the shortcuts tomorrow. So okay, so unable to click directly. Please kindly share it. Okay, can we remove middle cube? Yeah, you can move the remove middle cube by pressing what we say delete button in the keyboard you have, or else you can press X. So similar to the design software like CATIA and SolidWorks. So CATIA is a three. So Blender is much more than this CATIA and SolidWorks. In SolidWorks and CATIA, you might be having some tools like testing the pressures, etc. So Blender is like a 3D world. You are creating a n number of 3D objects, etc. So you are testing a mini world in your laptop. Okay. Okay. Please tell me. Today key points of the session. So key points of the session are nothing means key, just the shortcut keys, shift C, shift A for objects, move for M, G for grab. Okay, so those are the shortcuts. Background color change, yeah, you can change the background color. So search for that if you want. Don't want to change my background color. Okay, today's key point for and download completely is a hit, but it's not responding. Okay, your system needs some time for it. Channel. So yeah, it's a good so yeah, it's possible to continue for 20 days, but we got only 10 days of time. Okay, it's not a problem. Just it's a basic session about the software introduction. So it's a, I think this 10 days are enough. If you want much more in detail, you we can extend it to 20 days in a separate session. Shortcut is a PDF I will send in the WhatsApp groups after this session ended. Oh yeah, it's your laptop is supportable, but 3 GB NVIDIA graphic card I didn't see anywhere. Only 4 GB, 2 GB they think they will give. Can we use a Blender without external mouse? No, you can't use. Mouse is necessary. You can't do it with a touchpad. Okay, I will. So do you have? Yeah, I have YouTube channel, not but not on Blender. Well, the channel name once again, sir. Okay, Blender Guru. The channel name once again, yeah, Blender Guru, yeah. In short form. Okay, okay, this many times. Blender Guru, yeah, yeah. So please send the video to your YouTube channel. So which video do you want to send the video? I don't think. undergo shortcuts. Yeah, 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 yeah. So I think today's session, yeah, we can change our background. There are mainly six kind of background interfaces in Blender. You can change depending on your. But this is the default color, and this is much warm for us. So this is comfortable if you are sticking to it, or if you are. So I'm using it since 2 years, so I'm comfortable with this interface. If you want to change, you can change personally. Erase key. Erase key. I didn't tell this erase key in 3D molding for it, but in what we say 2D animation, I've told about the erase key. Yeah, what's up is showing. Uh, if we have no ropes. Yeah, you can leave if you have no ropes. Could I get your contact info? I have a ton of questions. Yeah, you can have a ton of questions, but not now. I can't get any number personally. The certificate. So you can get the certificate after this session if you complete the whole tasks and attend every day to the session. Yeah, yeah. It mentioned certificates will be provided if you complete the tasks and attend every day. Any certificate? Okay, 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 okay. Okay, okay. So I think today there is nothing task. Just read about the what we say shortcut key, which I will keep after this session. Okay, I think there is no there are no more doubts. So I think we can end this session.
Yes, guys, everyone who unable to join in WhatsApp, just join, which I'm sharing the link in chat box. And don't forget to give the today's feedback. So based on your feedback only, we consider that you are attended. That means your feedback means that is equal to your feedback as well as attendance. So don't forget to give the feedback of this session. I'll strongly recommend to give the feedback, you guys. And that's it. So any questions or anything, let me know that. Certification, definitely I'll say that if you submit all the tasks, then only certificates will be provided. And feedback link will be working, and almost like yeah, we got almost 200 responses. If you are not working means you are not opening in your right email or something. Okay. So any questions? Let me know in chat box. So we'll end the session. Almost we are late. Okay. So anyway, thank you again. I'm sharing the feedback link, and again I'll share the WhatsApp link also. So if anyone was not joined, what at one time also in Blender 1 or Blender 2 or Blender 3, so just join here. So yeah. So that's all. So we'll meet again. Share YouTube live feedback link. I'll share in WhatsApp groups once again. So that's all. So we'll meet again at tomorrow. Bye bye. Have a nice day. Till now, haven't got any tasks. Yeah, tomorrow you are having more tasks. No need to worry. So tomorrow we'll consider all the tasks. Okay, Santosh. Thank you. Bye. Have a nice day. Thank you so much for giving session to the students. Thank you.